concrete additives explained, HPMC foaming agents and more. Tired of concrete that cracks prematurely or doesn't hold right? The secret might not be in your mix, but in what you're adding to it. Discover how specific concrete additives like HPMC and foaming agents can transform your material, solving common issues you didn't even know were fixable. When you mix cement, sand, and water, you get only basic building materials, like a blank canvas. What modern architecture needs are smart materials capable of autonomous thinking. Why does ordinary concrete struggle to meet the demands of extreme climates, super tall buildings, and specialized structures? The answer lies in its missing recipe for the soul. Chemical additives. Today's video will reveal these seemingly minor yet rule-changing magical ingredients that are transforming concrete from a passive building material into an intelligent medium capable of actively adapting to its environment. First up is hydroxypropyl-methyl-cellulose, HPMC, a tongue twister of anom that serves as the behind-the-scenes conductor for pumped concrete. When concrete must travel through pipelines hundreds of meters long to reach the construction site of a skyscraper, HPMC acts like a lubrication system for the concrete. By enveloping cement particles at the molecular level, it ensures uniform suspension and prevents segregation and pipeline blockages. Observe this comparison. The ordinary concrete on the left exhibits aggregate segregation, while the concrete on the right, enhanced with HPMC, maintains uniform flow. During the construction of Dubai's Burj Khalifa, it was precisely this additive that ensured the concrete retained perfect workability even at heights exceeding 600 meters. Remarkably, it also delays setting in hot environments, buying crucial time for complex structural construction. Next comes the foaming agent that creates lightweight wonders. When this bio-based surfactant is introduced into the slurry, it generates millions of stable bubbles per second, each measuring 0.1 to 1 millimeter in diameter. These precisely controlled pores not only reduce concrete weight by 70%, but also form an effective thermal insulation barrier. In German passive house projects, aerated concrete panels made with foaming agents reduce building heating energy consumption by 90%. The latest breakthrough comes from Singapore. Researchers achieve seamless integration of high-density load-bearing zones and low-density insulation zones within the same component using gradient foaming technology. Truly real-easy NG1 material, addressing multiple needs. Now let's meet this game-changing family of additives. High-efficiency water-reducing agent. Like putting skates on cement particles, it reduces water usage by 25% while boosting strength by 40%. This is the secret behind Shanghai Tower achieving C80 concrete strength. And training agent creates micro-pore buffer chambers in frigid regions to absorb expansion stresses from freeze-thaw cycles, extending road lifespan by threefold. Time control dual accelerators enable precast components to achieve the molding strength within 8 hours. Will retarders help large volume concrete avoid temperature cracks? Watch this stunning demonstration. Concrete specimens with composite additives exhibit remarkable toughness and strength under hydraulic pressure. How to choose the best formula for your project? Remember these 3 golden rules. Function-oriented waterproofing agents are the top choice for underground projects, while flooring requires abrasion-resistant agents for decorative components. Focus on color uniformity. Synergy. Just as cooking requires balancing 5 flavors, combining HPMC with water-reducing agents achieves high flowability with zero segregation. Precise dosing at a construction site. Weighing errors led to superplasticizer exceeding the standard by 0.1%, resulting in dozens of cubic meters of concrete being SCR-ed. Remember, additives are precise chemical regulators, not just a raw and ready companion to cement. From keeping concrete resilient in extreme cold to making it feather, light yet rock solid, these invisible additives are pushing the physical limits of materials. Next time you witness the landmark rising, remember, it's not just steel and cement holding it up, but the chemical ingenuity of the microscopic world. Share your experiences with additives in the comments section.